Omuchandikwe cyashohozwa President Yoweri Museveni nayongera kore ko kushasha kandi yatora n'akakiiko kakuru akarije ko bakebembirwe Honorable Mire Babaranda okutebeekanisa enteekateeka z'okuziika obirari Sipiika w'Ishengyero ry'Ihanga Jacob Oulanyah. Jacob Oulanyah afirizo baryanyumwa abazyo omulisi yato muri America kandi abanyishengyero bataro bamwe na bamwe nka Cecilia Babara Atim Ogwal orukujwekera district ya Dokoro nebeyongera kumugamba.
So I knew Oulanyah right from the time he was a student, and I spotted him as one of the youth that we could build and make a pillar of leadership, the kind of leadership that we wanted.
Cecilia Ogwal nagira ngo Jacob Oulanyah n'omuntu owashomere biragira kabyetegereza kandi ngwabire ahweriri hango mu bintu byinji.
If you follow it up, there's something seriously wrong. And Oulanyah actually saved the government a lot. He understood the law and he would tell the government if things were going wrong.
Cecilia Ogwal nashobora ngo ekibire nishikirayo okukora Jacob Oulanyah icy'umutano buri kimwabire nakikora omubwire kandi ngwabira atarukugwera rubaju.
So I can tell you that Oulanyah was a man who performed excellently well. Any assignment that you gave Oulanyah, he will not let you down. He executed them excellently well. One of the things that concerned him so much and the country generally was the quality of debates in Parliament. He spoke about it publicly, and all of us were concerned about that we needed to amend our ways. We needed to change the manner in which we handle debates.
Cecilia Ogwal owayatwa kazomu maziga nagira ngo nashasha okureba ihanga neruferwa bebembezi bamana nka Oulanyah.
I feel bad when they actually speak as if Lokech is their son and Oulanyah is their son. It's not. These are our children. We have seen these children grow, and we feel pain just like they are feeling pain. And by virtue of their work, they have touched lives of people of Uganda. When Lokech was in Somalia, I was the one leading the delegation of Ugandans.
Sipiika ogu abari omuntu murungi nkomuntu abari omuntu orukumanyeshaha ekintu kisabe nakikwata munonga abari omuntu orukunda beragira okuforonga amateeka cyokureba buri kintu cyori kibinchukorwa abinabuza kiri mu mateka n'intinga tikiri mu mateka so abinakunda kuforonga bakwita rules of the game.
He has left a legacy, and ours is to emulate him and make sure that what he believed in goes on and on and on.
Omugandi abebembezi n'abatora b'ekyanga kya Bunyoro bayegitaho abantu abandi omu ihanga okuganya ahabwo kufa kw'obirari mukuru w'empanura z'Ishengyero rya Uganda omugenzi Jacob Oulanyah ofirire omusiyato ahizooba rya Sunday omu Kasheshe.
Nyowe nk'omuntu nimumanya nk'omuntu omwebembezi omu ihanga lino omukitiinisa kye nka Sipiika kandi abaire amanyire okubaza kurungi okuterekereza kurungi enkurato n'amanya emikore n'ebiragiro ebyokuhondera.
Obukama bwa Bunyoro kitara butungira amahura mabi g'okufa kwa Sipiika waitu ow'ihanga okitiinisa Jacob Oulanyah kandi nk'obukama tukuganyira muno abantu baitu bacyoli hamwe n'ihanga lyona kutwara hamwe abokuba nkaitwe nka Bunyoro tuine obukwataine bw'amaani abantu bacyoli kandi n'omuntu atugenzereho abaire mwebembezi mu ihanga muno nakola emirimo ye kurungi kandi nagonza muno obuhangwa.
RDC wa Kikube Amran Tumusime yagamba ngo nk'ekigombe kya NRM baferirwe cyango munonga
kibi muno ihanga litwe na tukuganya muno habwa okufa kwa Sipiika waitu Oulanyah nyonka semba yokuba n'Oulanyah hanu miezi itali hara muno wakaba na serakaru ko kuba wa Sipiika bakatusiramu abantu bataitu muno twage mu maka g'omuntu Oulanyah yaija asobola yagamba nkwenda mu nyambe mubaze n'abememba banyi ba parliament abaka ku mwana basange baliyo basagarukayo.
Omutumbi gw'omugenzi Jacob Oulanyah nuguteekateekwa okuhika mu Uganda ahasande ebiro 27 by'okwezi oku aha Kishayi Entebbe shaha 8 z'ihangwe. Ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa na Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.